Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, in the orbital anatomy, we have to see the lateral wall of the orbital anatomy. So, in the picture, the lateral wall of the orbital anatomy. So, this is the lateral wall of this is the lateral wall of the orbital anatomy. Lateral wall, this is a zygomatic bone. So, wall is formed by zygomatic bone. It is also formed by the sphenoid. That to which wing of sphenoid? It is formed by the greater wing of sphenoid. So, lateral wall is mainly formed by the two bones. One, it is zygomatic bone, and it is formed by the greater wing of sphenoid.
thank you and thank you for watching.